is ak.garage. Yes, ak.garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to give you 4 keys that will help your car to be in a good way of maintenance. How you can maintain your car in a good way or keep your car in a perfect condition that it can help you when you want to sell your car. Yes, you want to sell your car. That's the 4 keys. Yes, the 4 secret keys that I'm going to give you. One is, don't park your car under a sun. You're supposed to park your car under a shade. Yes, a small shade, or where there is a shade, you have to park your car under it so that it can protect the color of the car. Yes, the color of the car. The color wouldn't fade when you want to sell the car. You protect it, that you keep it under a shade so that the sun will not affect the color, that the color of the car will not fade away. Yes, so we have to get some small shade. Yes, like tapo, then you get a small shade, then you park your car. If you don't have car garage, you have to get a small shade, then you park your car to protect the color of your car. And then the two, you have to do regular maintenance, or you have to do regular servicing. Yes, regular servicing, right? The service that you want to do, you have to do it regularly, on time. Yes, because some garage or some companies will give you some mileage that you have to rate before you change the oil. If you reach that mileage, you have to go immediately and change the oil. The oil change is very necessary for your car. Yes, oil change is very necessary for your car. So immediately you reach that line, you're supposed to go, then change your oil immediately. That will help the engine to stand well, or it will help the engine to perform well. Yes, so you have to do regular oil change or regular servicing for your car. And then one particular thing you have to notice, that the third one is, you don't have to change oil change I'm talking about the particular oil that the car is using. Some car use synthetic and so on, and some car too use Shell, Total, and other Tembel and other products. Yes, if your car is addicted to Shell or Total or Girl, please and please again, make sure you use that particular oil for your car. Anytime, any day that you want to change oil for your car, don't mix them, right? Don't mix them. Use particular oil for your car. It is what your car need, is addicted to. So use that particular oil for your car. That will help the engine to perform well and to stand fixed and to perform well. Yes. So this is it. And then the fourth one is, you have to do schedule for your car servicing or maintenance. So the car maintenance schedule, sometimes if you reach the time that is supposed to change or check around your car, the suspension system, the braking system, and everything about the car, you have to schedule it. And then that time, if reach that time, you're supposed to send your car to the garage that you always change or you always work on. So you have to send your car there so that they will cross check everything for you. Because of the schedule that you have for your car will give you good performance and you will enjoy the car. And anytime any day that you want to sell your car, you can see that your car is well fixed and well performed, that your car will get price if you want to sell it because of the schedule and then the steps of the maintenance that always follow for your car. So please and please again, this is the four keys of the car maintenance. So if you want to do a good maintenance or to maintain your car properly, you're supposed to follow these four steps that I mentioned. Four steps, so to follow it perfectly, and you see that your car is well performed for you. So this is AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.